I decided to do the Buyer's Journey workshop because I'd actually done a pre-mini workshop at the Oracle Eloqua conference last year, and I thought it was really interesting and something that I absolutely wanted to do, but at the time, our company wasn't quite there yet. We were still figuring out who is our ideal buyer, right? What does our buyer cycle look like? And we were still building content. We didn't have all of this content yet to really put into the journey. And then this year, we're looking at everything that we need to do, and we are growing so fast. I mean, if you just look at us 2 years ago, we were this tiny little startup that just started shipping, and now we're an emerging growth company that's on Gartner Magic Quadrants, and our revenue numbers and all of our metrics are going up exponentially, and I need to make sure that we can keep up. So we decided that the buyer's journey was a really good way to make sure that we have a really good content strategy, and we know what we need to build and what we want to build so that we can work with our website team and our marketing automation and nurture team and our content team, and everything will be aligned and together, and we can really have that foundation that we need to be successful. I think the workshop has brought a lot of different benefits for us, right? We had our original goal of we want to build out a buyer's journey and who are different archetypes and really figure out how to leverage the content that we have better and also how to prioritize the content that we need to create, and I think we did all of those things. The other benefit that I've really seen is I wanted to make sure that as our team is growing, we're all really aligned on what is our messaging and what do we want to do, because making some of the changes that we're making in our marketing department right now, it really is like shifting this big vessel, right? And you want to make sure that everybody is on board and bought in, and having everyone go through the process and everybody put in their 2 cents. It's not just something that one person decided what to do, it's something that we've all collectively gone in on together, and I think that that's going to be the thing that makes it really successful as we go forward.
So I think the benefit of this workshop, it's really allowed our teams to get aligned on how we define the archetypes as well as the buyer's journey, so that now we can really take it to the next step and map our collateral into it so that we're marketing effectively. So I think the Tegrita team did a great job of defining the benefits of and what an archetype definition is. It's a term we hadn't used before. I myself, for example, in the past have been using personas, so it's a different way of looking at things, and also helping us define a buyer's journey framework. I think one of the things that was great about the workshop was the Tegrita team really did a great job of helping us in the brainstorming as we defined each of these different archetypes in the journey.
My experience working with the Tegrita team has been awesome. I really love the team just from a relationship standpoint. They're someone that I can always go to when I need advice or want to figure out how to do something. In fact, the buyer's journey was something I thought, okay, I want to do this, but who do I do it with? And I went ahead and I called someone at Tegrita and I said, hey, like, do you guys do this? And they said, yeah, go to our website, check out all the things. And it's been a really rock star team that's been here to really guide us through this. And I think I couldn't have picked someone better to go with. Doing this buyer's journey experience has been really fun, and it's something that I would encourage other marketing teams to do. It's not only important to really understand what are your goals and your strategies and how you're going to plan it, but to really come together and have that bonding experience, that interactive experience that comes with the workshop is something that you don't get on a piece of paper or a spreadsheet, and it's something that I really hope that all teams do because it's really had a good impact for us.